Time to give these onions a trim. This is one of the methods I'm growing onions from seed this year. I saw it on an American YouTube channel, and all they do is plant them in a deep pot all together, keep them trimmed, and allow them to grow on until ready for planting out. And it seems a very easy way to do it. So, but part of the thing is you have to keep them fairly well trimmed so they don't go too floppy. Now all I've been doing is gathering them up in my hand like this and just trimming the tops off. These are the Exhibition onions, and I've got a few, not many actually, but a few Kelsaes. So I'll do the same with them. And it supposedly keeps the plant nice and stout, so when you plant them out they're okay to go straight out. Well, you can see they're all already making a bit of girth on them, so no, they're doing fine. I'm going to sort of judge them against the other method I'm doing, which is the standard method of just sowing them, pricking them out and potting them on until planting out. So let's see how they go. So I'll just pick some lettuce for salad this evening. I'm going to cut some of these small leaves to go with it. Just a few. Spice it up a bit. They're certainly big enough for picking now. For collecting now, I should say. Harvesting, whatever the word is. Just one or two off each one. Salad's only for two of us, so don't need a huge amount. I'm not sure whether they'll just be going straight across at a certain level and taking them, but I don't want a huge amount. So I think those are okay. I might pick a few more actually. Yeah, I'll pick a few more. I'll pick a few spinach leaves and that'll be it. Got some spinach down here. I'll be taking some of that and putting it with it.